Okay, we're ready to put this in. All right, you see it all. I have it adjusted at the right height now that I want it. I can put that in there. It's just a little bit higher than here from before, and I can adjust it a little bit one way or another so it's not going to hit anything. And now I've got to put my nut. I got to put my nut on. Okay, underneath. And on these nuts, there's some little wings on them. Okay, and in the directions it says only hand tighten. And I'm going to just hand tighten it. But right now I'm just going to kind of make it fairly snug, not too tight, so that I can kind of look at this and see I can move from using my fingers at the bottom and see about where I would like it. Okay, I think right there is fine. Okay. And now I'm just tightening with my fingers. Now with my thumb and my couple fingers. Okay. There. As you're turning, you want to make sure this doesn't turn. And that looks all fine. That looks fine. Okay, that's my next step. All right, do you see anything hard about this? Okay, so we've got our rubber deal, which I'm going to have to cut to adjust, and we've got this. Okay, but before I do that, I'm going to go ahead and tighten up the water line to the plastic nut that I just tightened up. Do you see? So there's two nuts down here, as you saw. Okay, now I'm going to do this one tight by hand, and before theirs was just slightly loose, but it still didn't leak. Okay. Okay, that's pretty tight. And what I'll do is once I get everything done and turn the water back on, I'll check for leaks. And if I see anything dripping down there, I can take my pliers and do just a one time. You know, not a lot. I don't like to use the pliers, because on the direction it'll say hand tighten, okay? But like I said, if it's dripping later, then I'll take my pliers and just do it once, and that's it. Do you see what I mean? Okay, we're ready for the next step. Now I think I'm going to readjust the tripod for you.